So I cut couple like heavy pieces of iron. I'm going to tap and drill, and I'm going to bolt it right here, and then I'm going to weld the bracket. So I'm gonna put those heavy pieces on both sides, bolt them into the frame area. Heavy duty, like really thick metal right here. So I'm going to drill, and I'm going to bolt where they been before. So on this frame, this heavy thick wall will go at the bottom, and I'll weld the pivot points to it. So it's going to be one heavy structure. I might bolt another long bracket all underneath, going from this all the way to the back, and pick up another point into the frame. But it's probably going to be overkill. But that's the idea. So let's keep going. So I have half-inch tape here. So I pretty much don't have to measure, because I know this is 1 inch. I just lay the tape, and I have middle point, and I just scribe where the holes are and where the cross point is going to be. So made it simple, fast, don't have to measure. So here you go. So the whole point, guys, is this. I'm sure there are more expensive, bigger, more powerful plow trucks out there, but they are not cooler than this one. The coolness is this what we go for, but you know, it's just for entertainment, guys. And I'm sure this will plow beautifully in the winter. But the whole car costed $700, and it was around the corner. Literally, I walked there to pick it up. The plow I bought, which is, you know, splits make I'll show it to you later. It splits in the middle and changes angles. Was $200. So we are in it under, way under 1,000. All of these pipes is junk. What you see is here is man's best friend, a bad frame. Never throw away a bad frame. And if I see one, it's a free and it's strong, and especially if you find the older one, it's even stronger. Just the one like this one is like really thick wall. So yeah, so now we have these brackets mounted here. There's no freaking way you bending this bracket. Never in a million years with a 2,000-pound car. And this heavy, thick wall will weld right there. Right here. So I'm gonna cut it right here, and I'm going to weld it. And just like that, I cut it to the length. And it's going to get welded. It already looks sturdy. I mean, this is massive piece of metal right here I bolted to. And it's only got inch overhang right here. And to bend this much metal is practically impossible. Because, I mean, if it was longer piece, it would be much easier to bend. But if it's only 1 inch overhang, you can't bend it. There is no way you can bend this, pushing the snow with this small plow. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and please comment, enjoy. This is all for fun. And like I said, if you have a big truck, you don't have a cooler vehicle than this one. Enjoy.